I get it. You want to know if hashtags still work. You want to know if you're using them right. Maybe you're using too many, not using enough. Whichever it is, there's been so much talk about hashtags lately, and I've been getting a lot of questions from y'all about hashtags, so let's talk about it. To answer your very first question, do hashtags still work? The answer is yes. Yes, they still work because they help the algorithm categorize your content for various different reasons. One being that it helps the algorithm know who to expose your content to. Another thing that you want to think about is user experience. A lot of people actually get on Instagram and they get on TikTok and they search for things by the hashtag. So yes, they still work. However, don't stress about hashtags. That's what this video is about today. I want to tell you that you shouldn't stress about hashtags. Yes, use them because they do work again, but instead of like wasting so much time on worrying about hashtags, I want you to shift that energy over into your keyword research. Now, I made a video about this a long time ago, but I just kind of wanted to make a more updated video. I continue to educate myself so I can educate y'all out there. And there's just more things that I've even learned about keyword research. A lot of these social media platforms are becoming more search-based, which means they're acting more like a search engine platform as opposed to just like a regular like social media platform. And there is something so powerful about somebody stumbling across your content because they typed in specific keywords that you use to categorize yourself as a business owner. So I'm going to show you just 3 quick ways that you can go ahead and get started with your own keyword research. 3 free ways. Yes, the thing about this, y'all, in my last video I told you about repurposing videos on multiple platforms, and a question that I got on Instagram was, okay, well, how do we learn how to do keyword research for each platform? And the thing that's so sweet about it is you just need to learn it one time. You just need to learn the basics. I'm telling you, just learn the basics. And you can apply this to Instagram. You can apply it to TikTok. You can apply it to LinkedIn. You can apply it to your blogs, your website, if you have all that stuff. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'm Cheri, by the way. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Let's go. The very first thing that we're going to do is pick a keyword. I just so happen to hop on Pinterest right here, and it's telling me that high protein meals. This is a blog post that I did so long ago, y'all. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Let's use high protein meals. That is going to be our keyword. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to plug this keyword into Google Ads Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, and we're going to plug it into Google itself. And I'm going to show y'all just like a brief little tutorial on how to begin with your own keyword research. So Google Ads Keyword Planner. This is what the dashboard looks like. If you have a Google account, like you have access to this. This is like a free feature. You have access to this. You just probably need to sign up for it. And I think it's pretty easy to sign up for. I don't think it's hard at all. So you just want to go to Google Ads Keyword Planner, and every tool that I mentioned in this video, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Okay. And if you have any questions, again, let me know. So like I said, we have high protein meals. We're going to come in here and we're going to say high protein meals. Okay. Now, did I spell protein right? Or maybe, of course I didn't. Okay, high protein, get results. Now I'm gonna run, I know this is a lot of information. It looks very overwhelming, like it's even overwhelming to me sometimes, but I wanna just kind of show you the type of things that you should be looking for. Now, this is a very intense way to do your keyword research. There's easier ways, trust me. I'll show y'all that in just a second. So, over here in this column, it's showing you various forms of that keyword. So this is just called different keyword variations. That's pretty much what it's showing you over here. So in this section, it's telling you the average monthly searches, like how often is this term being searched on the internet. In about 100,000 in a million, that is how many monthly searches this term gets. That's pretty good because you want to go with something that is getting a lot of searches. that just increases the chances of your content being found under that keyword. Now you want to also look at the competition. This is where we're going to probably not use this particular keyword because the competition on this keyword is high, meaning that it's a very competitive keyword. Depending on the platform that you're using it on, it may not be the best type of keyword to use because it is so competitive. Like, so many people are trying to target this keyword. Another good column to maybe take a look at is over here on the top of page. This is basically how much ad spend is being put towards this particular keyword. So that's another thing you kind of want to, be a little weary of. If there's a lot of money being, invested into this keyword, you're out here doing this for free, you might want to stay away from that. So this is Google Ads Keyword Planner. Very simple and easy to use, free to get started. Link in the description box below. Next tool that I use to do a lot of my keyword research, and this is because I'm a YouTuber, but then again, okay, I need you to understand that Google owns YouTube, okay? A lot of the times when people get on the internet and they search for things on the Google Search Console, which I'm gonna show y'all how to use that to your benefit in just a second, a lot of the content that comes back is content from YouTube, and I've even seen a few TikTok videos here and there, okay? So this is just thinking outside of the box. TubeBuddy, I believe they have a free version to get started. I'm pretty sure they do, y'all. I'm pretty sure they do, and forgive me so much if they don't. So once again, high protein meals. I know this is not gonna be a good one for me, but I don't make content about this anyways. Okay, so this is what I do. I look at the weighted section. You have unweighted, you have weighted. I just want to go through this real quick. Once again, search volume. We have a high search volume. If you look in this column right here, you can see it's in the green. Green Go has a high search volume, but it is it is a very competitive keyword. It's in, it's poor, it's in the red, so that might not be good. Optimization strength. Now, you probably don't really need to worry about that, once again, if you're not like really a YouTuber, but really those top two would be enough to get you started. And another great feature about this tool is you can come over here, and once again, you can get keyword variations. You can see what other things people are typing in, very similar to that, and maybe just switch up your keywords. If high protein meals, if that's too competitive, which clearly we see that it is, use this column over here to switch it up a bit. So this is TubeBuddy. Again, I use this because I'm a YouTuber. However, I think this can still help you, like, just with your keyword research across the board. The very last tool that we're going to use is just the good old Google Search Console, like I told y'all about earlier. Now, you do need to have Google Keywords Everywhere. It is a Google Chrome extension. It is free, like, do not pay for it. Google Keywords, well, it's just called Keywords Everywhere, but it's a Google Chrome extension. You download it, and then I'm gonna show you like what cool things it does. So you just put your keyword in here, okay? And then whenever you go to the right side, you're gonna notice that it's gonna look a little different. Once again, I do not want you to get overwhelmed by this information. I just want you to be like, oh, it's a lot, but it's a lot that you can digest and learn. And to be honest, you don't even need all of it. Like, let's just be real. You don't need all of it. So you're gonna scroll down, and then you see here, related keywords. Now, once again, y'all, this is giving you keyword variations. People that are looking up high protein meals, they are also looking up this stuff here. These can be content ideas. Like, if this is your niche right here, y'all, I'm giving you free game. Content ideas galore. You hear me? And then people also search for, once again, more keyword variations, long tail keywords. Like, I don't want to really get into all of that, but these are just things that you just kind of want to embed and invest more time learning about. And I promise you, like I said earlier, if you can figure out how to just master it just all across the board, it's going to benefit you on TikTok, it's going to benefit you on Instagram, it's going to benefit you at any platform that you put content out there that you're trying to drive free traffic to.